Hello and welcome to my video review of the Provenzal iron tiles. So I'm having my 2-year-old walk on them today to show you how wonderful they are to walk on. They're also very fun to play ball on too, as you can see. Um, Clearly I'm doing this in my living room where I have a nice big rug to lay them out on. Because these are actually going to go into my basement, which is currently being insulated so that I can create a finished basement. So this is part of a future project. But I wanted to lay them out and just give you some quick pointers on things to look for in your tile. So the tiles that I first got were actually they were damaged in transit, which does happen from time to time. It's about 50% chance that I get damaged product, just thanks to my local carriers. Some of them are careless when they're transporting, but the vendor has actually been really good with sending out replacement product. They never have, they've never given me a difficult time. All they do is they ask for, a picture of the damaged tile, and then they send me out a replacement. Pretty painless. And I would assume that it'd be the same deal because the box says